For section 2.3 we have to do long division and we have to do synthetic divisions. So for the long division, as you can see here, we are dividing by x minus 2, and you write down the equation, which is 6x cubed minus x squared plus 16x minus 4. So you write down this expression, and then you start take the first term divided by the first term, and you get 6x squared, and then you multiply 6x squared times everything here, and they give you this result. You must change the sign, so every time you have to change the sign. So you're gonna add, you get 0, you're gonna add, you get negative 7x squared, and then you have to put down the next term, which is 16x, and then you take the first term divided by the first term, and that gives you negative 7x, and then you multiply negative 7x times these two terms, and that's this is what's the results. Change the sign, and then you add, and then you bring down the last term, which is negative 4, and then you divide positive 2x by x, it give you 2, multiply times x minus 2, and that give you 2x minus 4. Then you change the sign and you add. After this you get this result, 6x squared minus 7x plus 2, and you factor this, and this is the factor of that. So those are the three factors of the original problem. Okay, so remember, you always have to factor this. Okay, and don't forget that x minus 2 also part of the factoring. For synthetic division, as you remember, we use a coefficient. You have to put them in order according to the exponent or the power, and then you bring down the 6, and then you multiply 2 times 6, you get 12, and then you add. This is supposed to be plus 12, so you add, you get negative 7, multiply 2 times negative 7, you get negative 14, and then you add, you get 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and then you add, you get 0. So as long as you get 0 here, that means 2 is factor in the original problem. So in this case, x equal 2, therefore x minus 2, and then you reduce the power down to by 1, and you write down the terms, and then you factor it one more time. That's it. That's your final answer.